Looky there, my 3 cats. Oh, and they're eating on their rug. Huh, isn't that cute? They're having their treats. Ha. That good, boys? Yeah, it's good, isn't it? They like the rug now. Before, they wouldn't even get on it because it's squishy. Yeah, it's soft. Soft to step on. It's squishy. It's squishy. See what it's made of? It's padded. Yeah, it's nice. Is that good, Stormy? Come here. Let me see your face. Look. Look at Mommy. Hi. Is that good? You still licking? Hey. Hey. Okay. Alright. That's it. This is what it looks like. A rug. 5 cats. Isn't it cute? I don't know where I ordered it from. Can't remember. But it's got this non-slip back. It feels like it should go in a bathroom. It absorbs water. So, the little kitties are cute, aren't they? Yeah, they're cute. I got this package in the mail from Vagabondmango. It's got one of them Vangles in there. We're going to unbox it. Hold on. A little gift for all your support. Aw. And I bought this one from her and she sent me a gift. This is what I had her make. Believe in yourself. I think she's going to offer them on her Etsy store too. Isn't it pretty? I'm going to add it to my kitchen. Let's go add it and then we'll come back and open up the other thing. Okay, we added it to the kitchen. I don't know if it'd film better without light off. It's now hanging them on my curtain. Let's see, turn that off. Above my window in my kitchen. And the glare, it just don't allow me to. This is the first one I got from her, the sun one. And I got this one. The one with the little birdie. And the sun. And now my new one, the butterfly. Okay, now let's go see what she gave me for free. Oh, she gave me a refrigerator one too. Oh, great. Got it on my fridge. My new fridge, y'all. It hasn't been unpacked yet. Waiting on my husband to come home and put it up for me. Yep. Wow. We'll unbox that later. Oh my goodness. But for now, I'll put it on my old refrigerator because I gotta wait for my husband to put my other one in place. And that's the refrigerator magnet. Thank you so much, Cathy. I'll put a link to Vagabondmango store. Can't even talk. I'm really dry. I just vacuumed too. I gotta get my shower. That's all, y'all. Got today. Have a nice day. Oh, I am going to put a link of how to buy her Vangles, dangles, you know. You can put it on your refrigerator, or you can order one for your car, or you can hang them up like I do. I love hanging them up in the window. So, your choice. Lots of versatility there. Nice Christmas gifts. She's got different ones, y'all. Bye, y'all. Have a nice day.